so busy sewing that I've completely lost track of time between work, because I've been doing this really big project that's probably going to take another couple of weeks. But I have been so busy and so stressed out that having this little surprise is the best. And if you saw the title of this video before you clicked it, you know what my surprise is. I got Loki. This is Roanoke Loki, but with the new TV series that just came out on Disney Plus, and I just finished it, I'm really excited to get this Loki. I'm like really excited. I'm like, oh my god, I am like so like, I don't even like Loki too much like most people, but he is a character and I'm super excited to have him. So today we're going to unbox Loki from the Nendoroid from Good Smile Company. So first of all, the packaging came straight from Japan, so I had to wait 6 weeks to get it. Luckily, it was going to be 2 months, but it came a little early, so I'm a little excited. Oh my god, the boxing is just so fantastic. You gotta admit, Japan knows how it's at. Ooh, it came with 2 pieces and a little mail. I like the little backdrop. Oh my god. Such quality, man. And this is a huge box. I was not expecting to get so much. I already have his body, which is going to be this Obitsu white body. This was going to be Harry's body, but it's now Loki's, because Harry can continue using his body. I'm starting to develop a wide range of Nendoroid heads, because I turn them into Nendoroid dolls, and I only keep the heads. So I am now developing a wide range of Nendoroid, oh my god, his little cat! Little Nendoroid heads going on. I love how they protect his face. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so adorable. Oh, I love the quality. Oh my god. I'm like so happy. I know y'all guys can barely see me because I angled it so that y'all can see the Nendoroid, but he comes with 3 face plates. Oh, I love the sad Loki faceplate. And then the mischievous, somewhat happy faceplate. And the I'm going to get you faceplate. And the I'm put up with you faceplate. He comes with his outfit. Oh, and his little suit. Oh, that is so cool. I am Loki. Hear me roar. Oh, so cute. I'm probably going to end up selling all of the parts, because I don't generally use the parts, but I will unbox them for you. Hello, Loki. Is there tape? No. Oh, look at this crate. You need a stand for him. Loki. Will you stand for me, Loki? Yeah! Yeah! What's this one piece? Oh, it's when he's chained up. I may keep some of his swords, or I may just get rid of them. I really don't care about the swords, but I do like to have them on here just in case. you have a variety of hands and plates and things for you to do stuff. I'm probably going to keep the soapbox. Probably not going to keep the chains and the heads. Tesseract, I mean the Tesseract's pretty cute. Does it come off? Yeah. I might keep the Tesseract just because it's a Tesseract. The rest of it's going back into the box. Now I need a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay, we got screwdrivers. I'm missing a screwdriver. I need to figure out where that one went. But I got to unscrew this peg from this Obitsu body. Now that we have the peg taken care of, we move him from his other body and we plop him on, which he's going to be a little bit, oh wow, the whitey bitey is actually dark, but I picked the wrong body up. I also have, oh yeah, so we have the whitey body, and then we have the natural body, and the natural body is way too dark, and the whitey body is even dark too compared to his skin color. So you need something a little bit lighter than even his whitey body. Maybe one of the authentic Obitsu. I find that the almond milk one really works, but it's really hard to find. I'm going to need some super glue for this because it's a little too loose. So let me go get the super glue. Starting to run low on super glue, so let's see if we can't squeeze out a bit. Just a drop. I just need a drop. Give me one drop. Alright, and then you just leave him to set. And that's how he is. You have a little Loki now. Oh, he's so cute. He's so mischievous. Yes, I am naked. I am a naked Loki. Yeah. Let's give him a Loki. Minions! Minions! Bow down to me! Yeah! I'm such a dork. Okay, I'm gonna quit it. I'm gonna quit it. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. It definitely goes to help supporting this channel. And leave a comment down below if you like little Loki. Comments also help support this channel. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now. Yes, subscribe. Subscribe. Join the faction. Yeah. That's not how he speaks.